definitely going to be a great day. Welcome to the grand opening ceremony of Coffee Spot Don Mariano Coffee Bomb in Quezon City. Now with over 200 franchises nationwide at Coffee Spot, we continue to be the bridge to success to our partners.
Natin tayo franchise management sa pagbibigay sa amin ng chance na tutukan to business. So I can say na coffee lover talaga kami and nag-try din kami mag-explore ng ibang opportunities like ibang brands, ibang kilalang brands, and then it leads us here sa iFranchise sa tulong ni Atlina nga. Nakikita naman namin lumalaki yung coffee spot community.
Marami pa pong nagtitiwala kay Coffee Spot, and we know na hindi lang naman Quezon City, nationwide, and actually sir, global nag-open na rin po tayo. So another good thing na nangyayari po, ibig sabihin, proven and tested na maganda po yung outcome po ng Coffee Spot. Kaya marami pong salamat sa pagtitiwala sa mga partners niyo sir, dahil up to now, continuous po na magsuserve tayo pagdating sa industriya. Maraming salamat din sa yung dalawang balista natin na napakasipag po. Na-witness ko din po sila nung nag-training sa office na talagang dedicated po sila dun sa ginagawa nila. Siyempre, dedicate natin po kay Lord dahil lahat naman yan, steward lang naman tayo. Lahat ng bagay dito sa mundo is pinagkakatiwala sa atin. Kaya palagay po natin to dahil pinagkatiwala sa atin yan, and alam natin si Lord din ang magiging foundation po ng lahat ng business na to.
A place to reconnect and connect with our friends and family. Tara, kape tayo, and let's meet here at Coffee Spot. This has been your host, Chaps Kapili. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful day here at Coffee Spot. So thank you for choosing Coffee Spot and thank you for trusting us.
Welcome to Coffee Spot, Don Mariano, Commonwealth.